What is up, guys? It's Max Merck here, and as you can already tell by the title of this video is going to be about parking sensors. Parking sensors are useful when you're reversing, going forward into a spot, in all kinds of situations. They can save your bumper, they can prevent you from hitting stuff, and overall it's just a great feature to have. But the thing is, a lot of new or old cars don't come with parking sensors. For example, all 3 of my cars don't have parking sensors, even my 2017 Volkswagen Jetta, which is over here. Granted, the Jetta does come with a backup camera, but my other 2 cars don't have parking sensors or a backup camera of any kind. Luckily, the guys over at FenSens, I think, have figured out a solution to this problem. They were kind enough to send me over, their brand new product. It's the FenSens wireless parking sensor. They sent it over, got it in the mail today, and I'm gonna be testing it out, reviewing it. So the packaging on this product is really nice. I mean, especially when you're paying $150 for a product, you expect nice quality, and just at the first glance, this looks really nice quality. So in the front, you have FenSens. I'm a wireless parking sensor on your phone. It's a picture of the phone, the app. Works on Apple, Android. We'll go ahead and get this thing installed. Just slides off nice and easy. Go ahead, pop this open, and you're greeted with some instructions, it seems. So scan the QR code and download the app. Mount device with security screws, and mount phone and hit quick launch button to auto launch app. You have this nice foamy material, and then this is basically what you get in the box. So this is the license plate frame right here. And then here you've got your phone mount, and then here is your button. What this does is this will pull up the app when you click it. Here you got some tabs and screws, and here we've got 2 batteries, and here you've got some security wrenches, so nobody can steal this license plate frame off your car. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed in the car, and I'll be right back. Here's the finished install. So basically it's just you use the provided screws. They have several different types of screws, different kinds of threads, and then different thicknesses of the screws, and you just pick which one fits your car, and I did exactly that, and installed it. Fits good. And coming inside the car, they give you a provided magnetic phone mount, and you put the magnet in your phone case, or stick it on your phone. I put it on my phone case, so your phone sticks right there, just like that. And then I use the tap. They give you this button right here, just like that. Now I'll go demonstrate the product for you guys. So start the car. Now there's a car right behind me right there, so let's go ahead and park behind it. So to bring the app up on Android, when you push the button, it'll launch the app automatically. On iOS, if you tap the button, it'll give you a notification just like that. It says you are parking, and then if you unlock that, it'll take you to the app where you set up some stuff, but once it's set up, that's what you get. I'll make sure the volume's up. So put the car in reverse, and we will back up, and you'll see the screen. And you can also mute the sound with that button right there. That's just a couple bars right there. I'm not gonna go too close to my neighbor's car. I still have a good amount of room, and it depicted that in the app, but I don't want to go too close to my neighbor's car, as I said. So it'll play this audible sound. It'll show you, with these bars, these red bars, how far you are, and you can also make it vibrate if you want, but I don't know, I didn't want the vibrate feature on. And then also in the app, if I grab my phone here, if I push the home button, it'll show you the other features. A little shortcut to Apple Maps, Spotify Music, Pandora, Your Mechanic, AAA, just shortcuts. These are your different settings. It's very simplistic, and that's a good thing, with this kind of app. All you want to do is just go to the app or push this tap button, and it'll give you that notification. Go on your phone, and it is right there. And then I can have the sound on if I want. Yeah, so as I was saying, this is a really good solution for cars like this that don't have a camera, don't have parking sensors, nothing. And looking at it like this, it really doesn't look bad. It's not ugly. There's no wires, no nothing, and it's just a great safety feature and just convenience feature to have. I love to reverse park a lot, so this is great. For people who like to go front in, you can even put it in the front if you want, or you can even have 2. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll put a link to the product down below, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.